We're in room 7001, which is a deluxe inside stateroom. So coming in here, we have this couch, which folds out into a bed, and the bunk bed comes down from the ceiling. And we have a separate area that gets curtained off. We have a queen size bed here. Here they leave us our tags for our Key of the World cards to put in here in our lanyard. They gave us a special Castaway Club bag. I have some storage here with some nice Pirates of the Caribbean decor. On the nightstand area, there's an electrical outlet, a little place to put your phone. And there's one on this side as well. There's one outlet there. Have a small television with a little desk area. So they have outlets here, USB and standard outlets, and they have a European plug. So it's a good idea to bring a European adapter. It's an adapter that's useful that you can plug into this European outlet. And then you have lots of outlets and USBs and USB-C as well. Another useful thing is to get a USB splitter so you can power different devices, and magnetic hooks for the walls. Seating area, some drawers, and these split bathrooms, which are really nice to have. So on this side we have one sink, Disney H2O soap. In the bathroom here they have a 110 volt outlet and a 220 volt outlet. And we have the shower. Lots of Disney touches like Mickey on the towels. It's really nice. We have a separate room for the toilet. So one person can be in here while the other person's in the shower. We have a hair dryer, and then in the closet is pretty typical. The hangers and some artwork of Walt and Lillian.